In this video, you are going to learn how to clone any website with AI. Not even a website, any web page can be cloned and edited easily. Just look at this. I just copied Fiverr.com's design within few clicks. The section options are looking so realistic. Also, you can edit the option very easily. Before cloning your website, just go to the website you want to clone. Currently, I am using Fiverr.com. And also add a new tab and search Go Full Page Chrome extension. Click on it and add this to your Chrome. It is downloaded and activated. Just pin it. Then back to Fiverr.com. Now click on the Chrome extension icon. It will capture the whole web page of Fiverr.com. It perfectly took the whole website screenshot. We need to download it. Allow. It's downloaded. Now let's go to ChatGPT and upload the screenshot. And follow my prompt. And then enter. It will start scanning and it will create a proper prompt for our website. The prompt is ready. You can easily copy the prompt. Then go to the AI tool, which name is Lovable. You can easily sign up directly from this website, but if you sign up using this link, then you will get 10 credits for free. Now paste the prompt. It usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. Just keep patience. Seems like our website is ready. Let's view it. See, our website is literally cloned about 90%, similar to Fiverr.com. And if you want to edit any section, just click on Edit and click here. You can easily change the text. After each edit, don't forget to click on Save. You see, this button is not clickable. So let's go to Edit option and click on here and give a prompt to the AI so that it creates pages under these sections. Then enter and it will start working. Just keep patience for another few minutes. It says created services pages and made popular services cards clickable with proper routing. Let's recheck. Our video editing page is created now. Other pages are also fine. Also, the top logo design, this page also created. You can change the whole website design by using more specific and detailed prompt. And when your design is completed, just go to Publish Site. You can easily edit the URL of the design. I changed it to Fiverr cloned. And you can publish by clicking here. Or you can use a custom new domain or existing domain from here. But these options requires premium subscriptions. To host your website in free domain, click on Publish. The website is published. Click on the website. So, this is the video on how to clone any website with AI, even using screenshot. If you find this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you.